Let's make asset creation easier for everyone. Using PolyPerfect and UModelerX, you can create exciting environments and edit your assets, allowing for limitless variation, giving you full control over your creative expression. Say, for example, you have a character in your screen, but you need multiple versions of colors and styles for this character. PolyPerfect provides you assets, and UModelerX is the tool that lets you edit them right in Unity. All you have to do is convert your PolyPerfect asset to a UModelerX object. The next step is optional, but useful. You can use the Quantify tool to make sure the faces are mostly quads. Next, go into UV edit mode. Here you can select faces on the model. Then, for good measure, using the built-in unwrapping tool with those faces selected, you can simply reduce the size of the selected faces in the UV editor and move them to a new color palette location using the textures provided by PolyPerfect. It's not only colors you can change, but the mesh size itself. Using some of the modifiers, you can edit the look and feel of your object. See, all of this and you haven't even left the Unity environment to make these changes. This workflow will save you time and will allow you to stay in the creative flow. And with PolyPerfect and UModelerX, there's simply no limits to what you can create.